This video will demonstrate how to care and clean the black and white 4C espresso machine. This cleaning schedule must be strictly complied with to ensure hygiene and product quality. Daily care and cleaning. Daily cleaning guarantees the required hygiene, consistent flavor, and the properly functioning machine. There are two different types of cleaning procedures: cleaning on the outside and automatic cleaning inside. Cleaning the outside must be done manually by instructed staff. Automatic cleaning is controlled by the machine software. Additional accessories for cleaning: warm soap solution, cloth for damp cleaning, cloth for dry cleaning, cleaning tablets for the coffee system, cleaning tablets for the milk system, cleaning container for the syrup lines. The cleaning schedule describes which cleaning steps must be executed daily or weekly. The cleaning prompt appears after a defined period or after a specific number of dispensed products. This symbol indicates that you need to perform an automatic cleaning soon. This message appears 24 hours after the first dispensed milk product and 48 hours after the first dispensed coffee products. This symbol indicates that automatic cleaning must be performed immediately. The message appears after 26 hours after the first dispensed milk product and 50 hours after the first dispensed coffee products. There is a cleaning timer on the user menu dashboard. Automatic cleaning. The automatic cleaning can be executed in three ways: using the user menu, possible anytime. A cleaning prompt appears on the product screen after a predefined time. Using the login window, possible anytime. On the display screen, call up the user menu. Touch the cleaning button in the cleaning status field. Slide outlet upwards. Remove the grounds container. Turn the upper red coffee cleaning key 90 degrees counterclockwise and then pull it out. Insert one red coffee cleaning tablet into the red coffee cleaning key. Insert the cleaning key and turn 90 degrees clockwise. Remove the blue milk cleaning key 90 degrees counterclockwise and then pull it out. Insert two milk cleaning tablets into the blue milk cleaning key. Insert the cleaning key and turn 90 degrees clockwise. Reinsert the grounds container. Remove milk container from the refrigerator. Clean milk hoses. Rinse out milk container with warm water and then dry it. Place the milk container in the refrigerator. Guide milk hoses back into the milk container. Move the outlet to the bottommost position. Start the cleaning process by pressing the green checkmark box. The display will show cleaning is running. The cleaning process takes several minutes. Do not turn off machine during the cleaning process. While the machine performs automatic cleaning cycle, clean the exterior of the machine. After the machine is finished with the cleaning process, it will display the user screen. Clean the product outlet block. Slide outlet upwards. Press the retaining clips together and loosen the product outlet. Pull the product outlet block out of the product outlet. Thoroughly flush out the product outlet block with a soap water solution. Then rinse out with clean water. Dry and reinsert product outlet block. Empty the grounds container and wash out with a soap water solution. Then rinse out with clean water. Then dry. Remove milk container from the fridge. Clean the containers thoroughly with warm water and soap. Clean the milk tubes with warm water and soap. Clean the interior of the refrigerator. Clean drip trays. Remove drip tray and drip tray grate. Clean drip tray with warm water and soap. Fill milk container with fresh, cooled milk. Insert milk container. Guide milk hose, sensor hose of the refrigerator directly into the milk container. Products are ready to be dispensed.